On an angle.
Here, move over so I can push this button here.
It's kind of noticeable if I bring my selfie stick. Oh, what? Oh,
I don't know what those do.
double screen.
Oh, okay. I'm still peeved about when I got the full screen and fucking fingering and only won 1,000 when the major and the grand were so high. Now see how that one had 2 dynamite sticks?
Yeah.
Does that count as 2? So I only have to get 5.
Oh, no idea. I don't play this one enough. Go.
I did. I pushed it already. It's not doing anything. It's taking its time. Oh, you get to choose. Oh, this one's
No.
different. Excuse me. I thought I was playing.
No, but I get to choose.
Recording. What the heck? I know you're gonna take that most of the time, anyways, right?
Oh, wow! Oh.
We only need 5. We need 5. Actually,
What
we only
is
need
this?
3. 2. If you get the 2
Oh
top,
my
you
God.
get a chance at the grand.
That's so crazy!
Yeah, but that doesn't mean anything yet.
I know, but still, like, I've never seen that happen before. One at least.
One. Yes.
Okay.
If we get this one, we have a shot at the grand.
It's not like, I don't think you get a shot of the grand
Oh, you
yet.
do. You do. If you only need that.
I think it's only major. Anyway, we'll see.
Hopefully. Come on, right away. One more.
Okay.
Come on.
What? No. Oh,
This is
come
why I hate
on.
starting with so many because you have such high expectations.
Come on. One. Okay.
That's major. See, that's major. So that's grand.
Major is
Alright, ready?
better than nothing.
Cheater.
Oh. Ooh.
We were playing 2 cents. I forgot I didn't go yet. This was our last spin at 1 cent. It was going to 2 cents after this.
How many cards are available?
You get up to 50, I think it's you very seldomly get the max amount, obviously. I think if you get the major or the grand, what's at the end?
Oh, yeah?
Or at the beginning, yeah.
What is-
So once the cards run out,
Yeah.
you get 1 chance where maybe
Oh,
it'll bring a big card, but sometimes if it doesn't, then it doesn't.
mini. If you get a minor, oh
Now,
yeah.
after this, it might bring it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's it. So we got 30 out of 50. But see
Yay.
how we started with 10 and
I know.
5? We got 3, but if we needed that one.
Got scammed.
Yeah, right?
We got scammed.
Well, considering it was the last spin, I don't think I've ever started with 10 before. That's crazy.
Never. 9, yes. Oh. Tight.
I like the fact that it gives you the choice to choose.
Yes. It should give you the choice. Like, that's why I don't like the old one.
Well, some of them do, some don't. Like, say for example, cat. Like, what is it? The piggy banker one.
Yeah.
That gives you the choice.
Oh yeah, that's right.
'Cause
That's
I
why I
mean,
don't.
if
That's why I don't
I
like.
go with that all the
That's
time.
why I don't like playing the old Eureka.
Yeah, you don't get a choice. Which is weird because they're virtually the same game.
Exactly.
I want to start with one of those, man. Oh, you said it's double screen.
No, the 2 is double screen. I don't know what the single
Oh,
one
what's that
is.
single one?
No idea.
Well, hopefully we get to find out. And when you get those double screen, it doesn't mirror each other, right? They hit
No,
independently,
different,
right?
yeah. Oh man, 10. We had 10.
Yeah, to start, that's nuts.
If you fill up the whole thing, we get the grand? Or is
No,
that
you have a shot at the grand. But that's the thing, you don't
to.
have to fill the whole thing. I've seen people, when you get just that top one, you get a shot at it. Patience.
You can't make my viewers wait.
Well, you know, it's all about the anticipation.
Oh, like. I don't think anything else is gonna beat the 10 star.
You know why I offered to play with you, right?
Why?
Because in your last video when you were thanking the 100 subscribers, you said maybe I'll hit a jackpot one day.
Oh, okay.
So I figured,
okay.
you know what, you need some of my
Today.
luck. You need some of my luck.
I did.
Oh.
No, that's not happening. You know that. I want to hit those gold ones. Those gold
I know, I want to
dynamics.
get them to see what they do. Show me the money. When I was leaving Mohawk, there was a guy playing quick hits, 15 grand, betting 750 a spin, which is not that much. I was betting 750 on this Mighty Cash game. I wasn't getting anything. But I think the grand on that one was only 4,800 or something. I used to be hooked on quick hits. I used to love them.
I don't play them either.
Well, the one that you want to find was a quick hit
Explosion, yeah. That one looks cool.
You haven't seen it here yet, though, right?
Nope.
You only saw it online?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that'll go somewhere. Went through almost every denomination on $100. It's really good.
Is it?
Usually I'm spending 100 per denomination. It's because we won that 120.
I couldn't believe it wasn't a bigger dynamite.
That's what I mean. When you start with 10
Yeah.
like that, that's why I hate starting that high, because you don't usually end up filling it, because you start with such high expectations, right? It's like you'll start with 6, miss like the first 2, and then all of a sudden somehow you'll fill the screen. Let's start with 10 and you can barely get 3. At least it ended up giving us a shot at the major, so it was something different.
But we didn't get it.
I just went down.
So mean.
Right? Should have been a gold one there. Oh, not there. Okay, yeah. See, this is why knowing the staff helps. He sees you look at the recording, he doesn't say a word. Was it not going to give us a shot here? Or what?
I don't know.
No, it's because it's counting up. Because it's the last spin, it's got to count through all the pay lines, and then it'll bring up the wager
I see.
saver like that.
There.
I hate the ones like that.
Waste of time. So slow.
Oh!
Okie dokie, let's go. Can we just hit a bonus on this?
I just want to get to a bonus on dollar, do you know?
I'll be
There's the
happy.
miners. Look at the miners, $12.50, eh?
Ooh. Are you swearing on here? You know how much work it takes?
Yep. Which is why I swear. So you have to edit. Just be happy every second word's not a curse word.
So whenever you hear my videos and it's like, BB, it's you.
I should just go off on a tirade. all your
I'll just
subscribers will hear us bleep, 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 bleep.
I'll just cut it out. I'll just cut it out the whole thing. I'm not gonna waste my time. Woo.
See, what the two of them do?
I don't know.
Show us.
Show me the dynamites.
Even the scatters.
Ooh.
See, I want to get 3 so I see if that counts as 2.
Yeah, I have no idea. Maybe I'll just go online and watch some more videos. See what happens.
Why? When we can just learn ourselves.
Oh!
The pain. Okay, we're not wager savoring that.
$1. We can do it $1.
I was hoping it would let me do the $1.20. Oh my god! That would have been hilarious. Nope. Oh.
Bye bye.